In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus to create a new one and adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then tap on ring once or custom. If you wish to choose custom, tap on white days of the week to add them, or blue ones to exclude them. Then click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. Following that, select ringtone and vibration. Select one of those system themes, like for example, funk. Click on this device to pick any song from your smartphone instead. Or click on vibration at the top. Over here you can apply one of those vibration patterns, disable vibrations completely, or synchronize them with ringtone. After managing all of those options however you wish to, go back and hit snooze. You can turn it off or on by clicking on this switcher at the top. Then decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Now go back and hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it and tap on one of the available options. To delete it, you need to hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!